Wait, let me see if it's... Okay.
We're gonna test my real laugh. Okay. Okay. Oh. They can't see me. They can't see me.
I know.
So just you can hit it here. Oh, okay. You're not pushing down hard enough here, dude. Okay. Okay, Aaron, you're okay, breathe in. Breathe out.
Aaron didn't push hard enough. That's why I
1, 2, 3. My turn. Okay. You're pushing hard enough. Okay,
I told you.
Hi.
She didn't push hard enough on me. Okay.